How to go live on TikTok. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now, first thing first, in order to go live, you have to launch your TikTok app, get logged into your account. Now, here is the thing. If you don't have 1,000 followers or more than that, then you cannot go live. In order to go live on TikTok, you need to at least have 1,000 followers. In my case, you can see that I only have one follower. So let's go ahead and see if I can go live or not. For that, tap on this plus button here. As it is so, it will open up your camera. And if you have 1,000 followers or so, swipe into your left and then you will see a button that says live right here. But in my case, I don't have 1,000 followers. That's why I'm not being able to see the live button. In your case, it might be different. If you have 1,000 followers, tap on this live button that you see here. And likewise, that is how you can go live. All you have to do is press on the red button and that will enable your live. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.